if you keep it realistic by facing facts. You notice that life ain't all that. 9 to 5 you bust, always in a rush. Discovering one day it's all the much. A lot of people got no time to waste, so they stress, thinking that existence is all about cash. Now, what else do you expect? If you don't give love, you won't get it back. Just take out your hand and land them out. Give a positive example and move the crowd. Should be one for all for one. Share mad love so we all be having fun. Notice my word, life ain't easy, keep your head up. Let the up beat the downs and you will get around. No matter what color, let's shine like the sun. Help each other out, come together as one, as one, as one.